If you are new to the game, Fantasy Premier League can be confusing and you may not know what to do on this game or this fantasy draft. Good evening from the top of the world. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to play Fantasy Premier League. So at first you must log in or create your account, and after you do that, you're going to go to pick team and you're going to select your team, 11 starting players and 4 substitution players, goalkeeper, defender, midfielder and attacker as per your choice. So you can see here that this is my team. You can click on any player and you can substitute them or keep them as your captain or vice captain. If you keep them as your captain, then the points will be doubled if they receive a good amount of points. For example, if my captain Haaland has received 10 points, the captain will be doubled and he will receive 20 points. So at the end of the game week, you'll receive certain points. Right here, the points are written, and if you want to transfer in the next game week, you can just click on transfer. You click on the player that you want to transfer on, you click on replace, and you replace it with the player that you want to transfer with. So you click on anyone, then you click on next, and you can use various functions such as wildcard and free hit. So these are everything that you need to know, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.